Hot tips to help you improve at affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a tried and true way to make your website turn a profit. But good affiliate marketing is not a no-hassle money spigot. You need to put in plenty of effort to make it pay off. Your efforts will be more productive, though, the more you learn about the process. It is important to know your audience when also using affiliate marketing. If you are writing a cosmetics blog, don't choose affiliate ads which are for car parts. The more an affiliate ad relates to what your website or blog is about, the higher the chances are that your current customers or followers will use the affiliate links. Make sure your links go where your readers expect them to. This may seem obvious, but some affiliates will list links under the incorrect heading. Always test the links yourself, several times. Readers want to click the link and be taken to the product in question. They are much less likely to buy if they have to hunt around for the product you were talking about. Affiliate marketers should understand that there's a huge difference between clicking through a link to visit a page and actually paying for a product. This means you need to focus on the quality of your content and on the quality of the products you select. It is not enough that visitors click. They have to buy. To gain the trust of readers you are marketing to, only promote quality products. When a reader sees you promoting products known to be good, they will find it easier to believe what you say about products they're unfamiliar with. Promoting quality products will also encourage readers to listen to your opinion in the future. If you want to maximize your profits through affiliate marketing with minimal effort, ideas like these can help you out. Just remember that no particular strategy or tactic is guaranteed to work, and what works today might not work tomorrow. Keep learning to stay on top of the best affiliate marketing strategies. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.